So the latest commitment of traders report out of the CFTC, released on Friday. Positions are as of last Tuesday. You can see that when it comes to the euro, they've upped their heavy long buys. Now it's at 73%, largely due to a massive reduction in euro short positions, about 19,000 lots. Euro USD on Tuesday, 113s dropped to the 111s, so they did miss out a little bit on that move. But when it comes to missing out, really, pound traders also have to be included, and that's because the majority short bias has dropped further. They actually reduced their short positions in the pound by about 7,500 lots. That follows a 10,000 lot reduction from the week before. Well, the pound since Tuesday from 126, 127s down to the 123s following the BOE's monetary policy announcement. In safe haven currencies, they remain majority long both yen and franc. When it comes to commodity currencies, not much of a change in the Canadian dollar, still heavy short. But when it comes to both Australian and New Zealand dollar, they have reduced that short buy significantly due to a massive closure of short positions for both the Australian and the New Zealand dollar. In the case of the AUD, you can see that it's dropped from about a heavy short 69% to just 55%. In the Kiwi, it's at 53%, not that far from shifting to majority long. And when it comes to commodities, well, for oil, still extreme long, 82%, not much of a story there. When it comes to precious metals, they remain heavy to extreme long in all four. Gold up a notch to 84%, silver up to 69%. Lastly, when it comes to indices, though, you have a bit of a conflict. For the Dow, they're heavy to the short side, and they've upped that bias to 74%, not that far from extreme short levels. And S&P 500, also majority short, rising to about 62%. But on the other side, we've got the tech-heavy Nasdaq, majority long bias, and rising to 60%, as well as a slight majority long bias in the Russell ahead of its reconstitution at the end of this week.